Hey guys, it's Alice from G-Pen. Today I'm going to show you everything you need to know about the G-Pen Roam. First thing you're going to want to do is register your Roam on gpen.com. Your serial number is located on the bottom right corner of the back of the box. In the hemp travel case, you'll find a loading tool, a micro USB cable, and some cleaning tips. You'll also see room in the case for your concentrate containers. With the Roam, you're going to get one battery, one quartz tank, one tank cover, one mouthpiece, one glass tube, and the housing. The Roam has a charging port on the front of the battery. Make sure it's fully charged before you use it. To turn the Roam on, press the power button 5 times. You can adjust the temperature on the Roam in 25-degree intervals, the lowest being 400 degrees Fahrenheit and the highest being 800 degrees Fahrenheit. To toggle between Celsius and Fahrenheit, press the power button and the temperature up button for 3 seconds. Next, we're going to fill the glass tube up to the watermark line. Reattach the mouthpiece, then make sure the mouthpiece is aligned with the housing when you slide it back on. Then reattach the battery. You'll notice it's held tight with magnets. Now we're ready to load in our concentrates. Open the heating chamber and place your concentrates inside using the tool included in the kit. Less is more with the Roam. If you overfill your heating chamber, it can overflow or clog the airflow inlet. For best results, try to place your concentrate in the center of the quartz dish. Once you've selected your temperature, press the power button twice. This will begin the 30-second heat activation. The Roam will begin to preheat and vibrate with a thumbs up on the screen, letting you know it's ready to hit. For manual heat activation, press and hold the power button. The Roam will heat up to the selected temperature and vibrate to indicate that that temperature has been reached, and then maintain that temperature until the button is released or until the 30-second time limit has been reached. Pressing the button 2 times during heat activation will cancel heating. Use caution when handling the silicone tank cover. Over multiple back-to-back activations, the tank can become very hot. We recommend waiting 2 minutes before handling it after any activation. Now you're ready to Roam.